What's the meaning of confidence trick? Confidence trick. Confidence trick.
Confidence trick. Confidence trick. A confidence trick is a type of scam or fraud that involves gaining the trust and confidence of the victim in order to obtain money or valuable items from them. The trickster often uses persuasion, manipulation, or deception to convince the victim to hand over their possessions or money. The result of falling for a confidence trick can be devastating for the victim, often resulting in financial loss and emotional distress. It is important to be aware of the warning signs of these scams and to always be cautious when dealing with strangers or unfamiliar situations.